welcome back to Crazy Nails. So in today's video we will review and unbox this Efile nail drill from the brand Bluetop. Yes, I got it recently and I'm going to show you everything about it. So let's get started. This came in the mail recently and I have opened it a bit to see what was inside, but I will review it and unbox it with you again. So there is no mention of the brand anywhere, so there is no branding, but the brand contacted me and this is the same as they have given me. So yes, it's from the brand Bluetop. This is the e-file and this is how the packaging looks. Pretty basic. It's a bit heavy because it's rechargeable. There is a cord given over here, cord charger space, and there are all the buttons over here. This is the start, this is to lower the speed, and this is to increase the speed. And it is a bit heavy because it has a battery inside. Because it's rechargeable, you can recharge it and it will work on the go. You can carry it if you want. Yes, and this is how you open and close it to remove the drill bits from this. Okay, so let's unbox the entire package first. So don't worry if you don't see anything, because this is how it's packed. Everything is inside over here. So it contains 48 pieces, including this nail drill. This is the manual which comes with it. You can read everything about the e-file and drill bits and everything. There are drill bits and sanding bits in it, different kinds of drill bits. Then there is this stand, some extra sanding bits, a ceramic drill bit, charging cable, and a cleaning brush. So these are all the things that come inside. It's not charged, so I will charge it first and I will show you how it works. Let me go and charge it. By the time it charges, let me tell you about these sanding bits. They are available in three kind of grit: coarse, medium, and fine. Coarse is the brown one, medium is the blue one, and fine is the black one. So from 80, 120 and 180 grit level, these are divided into three colors. So do remember it while using them. Then there are different kinds of drill bits available in it. This is the mandrel on which you can put these sanding grits on it, and it will work properly with that. And it also is useful for removal. Then there is the large barrel, small barrel, conical, needle, and the safety bit. These are different kinds of bits available. And then there is one ceramic bit. So all of these have different kinds of job. This one is used for shaping your cuticle, removing dead skin around that, and any excess nail polish. And all these have like different kinds of jobs. These ones are used for removal of the polish, to refine the surface. If you are using a polygel or acrylic and you have little bumps on the surface, you can use these and these for shaping it and making it look smoother. So each one has a different job, so I will do a different video for that, so you know which one works for what. I will show you how to use it. So I think my drill bit is charged. Let me bring it back. So this is how it looks when it's charging. There is a red light, blue light, and when you turn it on, there comes a green light. So each light has a different function, and it's super easy to figure out and use. And since it comes with a Type-C charger, you can use any kind of Type-C charger with it to charge it, but it's better to use the cable that came along with it. Okay, so let's remove this one. Always make sure to keep your a bit inside it, so that it doesn't get dirty, because when the dirt goes inside and little dust particles and fiber particles go inside, it might jam the drill bit and it won't work properly. How to open it? So this is the lock. You twist it like this, so it'll open the lock, and then you again twist it like this twice, and then it will allow it to remove the bit. So this is how it looks. Let me insert a bit. So I'll use this mandrel drill bit and these sanding ones. So this is how you place one on top of it, nice and firm, and then you insert it. Once done, lock it. See, it will stay in place. So it's easy to use, and it is on. So let me show you how it sounds when you turn it on. Can you hear it? The sound. Let me increase it. So there are 5 speed settings, and it can go up to 30,000 RPM. It's quite efficient. This is the, and it's quite easy to safe on your skin as well. It's not very harsh on the skin, so if you accidentally touch yourself, don't worry about it. But it's best to season the grits over here and over here, so that they don't cut you while they are in high speed. If you're a beginner, I will advise you to start on a lower speed and go up to the higher one as and when you do it. So let me show you how it works. So this is how you sand it. It will remove the shiny surface from the polish like this. Always keep the bits moving. Don't, because if you will stop at one place, it will start tugging on it, and if you increase the speed, it will help in removing the polish as well. You can see the polish is being removed. If you are using fake nails or soft gel tips, you can also use this drill to buff it a little. Do it like this in moving motion, so that it buffs it nicely. Yeah, it buffs it nicely and it works perfectly. So I have removed the entire polish, and it's nice and ready for another layer. It's super easy to use. I really like it. Very it has a weight in it, but it's quite lightweight and easy to handle. You can work with it. I'm still learning to use e-files, so I'll keep practicing and will share my experience with you again with other drill bits, because I'm still working on the proper removal of acrylics and gels. It's beginner's time. I have only worked with the cuticle removals and the polisher, refining it and making it smooth. So I have still a lot to learn, and I think this is going to help me in that as well. This is my second one. This is my first rechargeable one. The another one that I have, it stays in place. I got it from Born Pretty. So this is quite easy to handle and useful, so I think I'm going to love it. And this was my experience. It has like everything you need for the nail drills. It has all the bits, it has extra bits as well, it has the entire manual, it comes with a charging cable, and it's quite handy. And I hope it lasts longer, and as I am going to use it, I will share my experience with you as well. So if you're using something like this, if you're looking for something like this, do make sure to give it a try. I hope it will come handy to you and it will be useful for your nail art journey. Thank you for watching this review. I will keep sharing for more with you. Please do subscribe and comment if you have used this or you want more details about it. I will mention the link in the description, so go ahead and buy it. It's also available on Amazon, so you can easily get it. So thank you for watching. Bye.